I'd like to welcome you to our workshop today. The title of our workshop is called How to Make an Extra $1,000 to $10,000 per month selling your own products on Amazon. My name is Will Pena. I'll be hosting the class for today. And just a little background about myself. I'm a business consultant, a success coach, and an entrepreneur. And I'm also the author of the book, The 3-Day Entrepreneur, How to Build a 6 to 7-Figure Business Working Less Than 3 Days a Week. Now, the concepts of this class today come from this book as well as a video program called the 3-Day Entrepreneur Startup Guide. And you might have seen this program on Udemy or some other video hosting sites. But the idea behind the class is based on the premise that there are different businesses that you can start that will allow you to generate a substantial amount of monthly income, but do it in a very passive way. And the idea or the principle of being a 3-day entrepreneur is the ability to start up multiple businesses, but those that don't really use up a lot of your time, effort, resources, and money. And selling on Amazon, selling products on Amazon, falls into that category, and I'm excited about the great things you're going to learn about today in this class. Now, let's first talk about what this course is. Now, this course is designed to give you an idea or a system to provide you with an extra $1,000 to $10,000 a month in passive income, meaning that if you put to practice the principles and the practicals that we share in this class, you'll be able to generate exactly that. Now, another part of this class is that this type of business is the type of business where you only have to work 1 to 2 hours a day in order to make it work. The premise, again, is that we're utilizing as many of automated systems, technology, our team, through Amazon in order to be able to sell and make money, but working with very, very little of our own resources. Now, this type of business, it will require you to care about your customers because it is a business. But the best part about this type of business is that those customers are going to reward you in abundant sales and profits and referrals and even just the good feeling that you get from servicing all these different people. And another part to describe this course is this is the type of course that you can automate even more and generally be able to operate it on 10 hours or less a month. Meaning you don't have to just do an hour or two a day. If you continue automating it, there are some great programs, some great technologies that Amazon provides that will allow you to be able to do it and make $1,000 to $10,000 a month, but doing it working less than 10 hours a month. So let's also talk about what this course is not, because I want to clarify some specific things. Because again, our purpose as entrepreneurs, and my in particular sort of a perspective, is that entrepreneurs should not utilize that much effort in order to generate the kind of revenues that they're looking to generate. So, but first and foremost, I need to clarify what this course is not. One thing it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will take work, okay? But the best part about the work that you do, once you get it under your belt, you don't necessarily have to do it anymore. The system will do all the work for you. Now, this course will not make you $1 million, but it can. If you continue with the principles that we talk about today, and about selling your own products on Amazon, and then you expand it, there is no reason why you can't make $1 million. But the course today is more specifically designed to show you how to make a passive residual monthly income to either replace your current income, active income, or just to add multiple streams of income to what you're already doing. Now, I do want to clarify about this. I'm sure you've heard a lot of things about selling on Amazon. The one thing this class is not about retail arbitrage. And what do I mean by that? Arbitrage is just the fancy word of saying to buy low and then to sell high. But you've probably seen a lot of people scrambling at different discount thrift stores trying to buy things and then all of a sudden trying to sell them on Amazon. That is not what this class is about. The idea that you can buy things on sale and then try to sell it on Amazon. And the reason I'm saying that is there's a specific reason why selling your own products is a lot more lucrative and is also a lot less work than actually going out and trying retail arbitrage. Specifically, I think the margins with retail arbitrage are generally very low. You do a lot of work in order just to get a little bit, and then shipping costs, other costs, they tend to eat up all your profits. The best part about what we're going to talk about today is that is not necessarily going to happen. That is not the case. Because selling your own products, you will see return on investment 100, 200, even 1,000%. And you'll be able to consistently be able to create enough value that you can charge pretty much any of the prices that you want. Now, again, this is also not an internet marketing business. And the reason I share that is one of the things that appeals to people about internet marketing business is that you don't really have to deal with people. But in this business, you will have to deal with real customers. And that's a very important part of it. So just to clarify, it is a people business that you're going to be dealing with, but you're not going to be using that much energy or effort because Amazon is going to do most of it for you. And I'm sure you have concerns. Am I going to have to stock up and hold a ton of inventory in my home? The answer is no. You don't have to. You could if you want to. I've done it, and it's not that big of a deal. But you don't have to do that. So technically, this is not a physical retail store. This is all virtual and online, e-commerce specifically. And you'll see also throughout this course that we're going to show you different ways or different programs that Amazon offers that they will hold everything for you and run the whole thing for you. You only have to go ahead and make sure you promote your product the best way possible. So that's just a quick overview of what the class is about. Pretty much what it is and what it's not. Now let's see specifically what does it take in order to be successful at selling products on Amazon. Well, first of all, it's going to take, number one, identifying a desirable product. Your ability to be able to find great products that people will want to buy is critical. Number two, how to create a unique brand. Because you can take any generic product but add a very powerful brand to it, and all of a sudden you create a substantial amount of value that people want to pay for. Number three, finding high quality product sources. Now, where do I find these products that I can go ahead and sell to the people on Amazon? We're going to talk about specifically some great places you can actually do that. Okay, let's look at number four, creating high converting Amazon listings. See, once you put your product on Amazon, the way you convey your message will will influence your buyers in a very big way. It'll really determine whether they're going to buy from you or not, and also the type of prices that you charge for your products as well. Number five, we need to create the highest profit situation, and we're going to look at specifically how to do that, how to price the right way, how to minimize our expenses but still maintain high quality so that we end up with a great profit. Number six, how to test and validate our product. Because just because you find a product doesn't mean people are going to buy it. We need to find a way of testing it out in Amazon and in the marketplace to make sure that we've found the product that we know will be able to sell much inventory and make a lot of profit from. Now let's look at number seven. We're also going to talk about how to effectively fulfill your orders and manage your inventory in such a way that it's a constant efficient stream of income that you're generating from your business, and your system is so well dialed in that you really don't do that much work in order to make it work. And number eight, how to provide outstanding customer satisfaction. Now this is critical, especially with Amazon, because they are known for their outstanding customer satisfaction. If you stay in alignment with that idea and that principle, the people will just continuously purchase from you over and over again. Number nine, then how to get abundant reviews. The holy grail in Amazon is the ability to get reviews, and abundant reviews as well. And great reviews, because the more reviews you get, the more social proof you create, the more people will want to buy your products. So how do you get your customers to actually do that? We're going to talk about that in this class. How to continually promote your products on Amazon. It's good to just put them on Amazon, but there's always more ways that you can drive more traffic to Amazon or get your product in the hands of more people. So we can show how to continuously promote. How to automate the entire process of everything we're talking about here. We're going to look at exactly what tools do we have at our disposal to be able to cut down the amount of time, effort, resources, and money we spend, but to still get a greater and greater result. And then last, how to scale your Amazon selling business so you can make more and more money. We're going to show you exactly what are some processes and different things that you're able to do so that you'll be able to not just make $10,000 a month, but maybe $100,000 a month and more. So thank you very much, and let's go on to our next video.